newbie ka at bago ka palang nagsisimula sa Forex, well, these are the top 3 common mistakes na ginagawa ng newbie kaya kailangan panoorin mo yung video na to para maiwasan mo. Una niyan, no stop loss. Hindi nagsiset ng stop loss. There is a common misconception that setting stop loss just mean that you already admitted to losing that trade. Minsan iniisip nila kapag nagset ka daw ng stop loss, yun yung misconception tanggap mo na okay, eto na yung matatalo ko. Parang tumitingin ka daw dun sa negative or darker side. Pero hindi po ganun yon. Well, remember, losing in the market is normal. So, setting a stop loss could limit your losses when you actually lost. So, safety net po ang stop loss. Hindi siya pagtanggap agad ng pagkatalo. It's better to be safe than sorry, sabi nga nila. Then, pangalawa, no trading plan. So, sabi nga sa isang quotation ni Benjamin Franklin, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Bakit? Having no trading plan is no different from gambling. Kapag nagtitrade ka and wala kang trading plan, wala kang plano. Sa lahat naman ng bagay, kapag hindi mo pinagplanuhan at wala ka talagang plano, expect na mag-fail ka talaga. Develop a working trading plan to ensure profitability in the long run. Kailangan may blueprint. Parang bahay lang yan. May nagtatayo ba ng bahay ng walang plano? Diba? Ending nun, mawawasak agad yun kapag walang plano. So, same thing with trading. And then, pangatlo, lacking education. Yung iba kasi trade lang ng trade, wala silang pakialam. Some people I knew lost hundreds of thousands if not millions just because they lacked education. Mostly yan yung mga na-scam. Yan, isa yun. They lacked education. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung sa dapat investan nila, sa hindi, paano yung Forex. So, huge losses such as this would have been prevented if we invested a little time and effort on learning risk management. This is why education is really important on Forex trading. So, yung iba niyan, pag nagtitrade ka kasi nang hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo, para ka lang nagsusugal, para ka nagta-trial and error using a live account. So, sabi nga sa isang programa ni Drew Arellano, lamang ang may alam.